Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change location on RedNote. In order to change location on RedNote, firstly you need to launch the RedNote app. And once you get into this interface of your RedNote, what you need to do is you need to go to your profile icon in the bottom right. And from here in the top there's this small icon for edit profile, select that. And from here, you can find there's an option for the region. Simply select this edit region. So over here, you can select this location in the top. And from here, you can select any of the region that you want to change the location of on the RedNote. As I'm going to select this one of the region. In order to do that, simply tap over it. And after that, you can select save in the top right. And that is it. This is how you can change location on RedNote. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.